Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is Oculus Quest 2 Elite Advanced all-in-one virtual reality headset. So my son got this. I'm not sure it's 64 gigabyte or the 256. So anyway, I'm going to open one of it. It says right here, Oculus from Facebook. It's a Quest 2 Elite strap with a battery and a carrying case. So let me give you guys a 360 view of the box. Got the Oculus. It's kind of a glossy finish font. So this is what's it gonna look like. This ergonomic strap enhance comfort and support with the quick twist of the fit wheel. The built-in battery extends playtime. Quest 2 carrying case included. So it says extended battery life. Rigid stapling strap and adjustable fit wheel, enhance weight distribution. And you got the Oculus logo on the front of the box. And then there's an indentation line right there. Wow. Looks pretty nice. So there's your logo right there. It's a carrying strap, pretty thick. There's nothing on the bottom. So there's a zipper right here, and you put this to unzip it. What? Oh my God, so slippery. So you had to unzip it all the way. Wow, there you go. Remove with care. Follow quick start guide. So this is like a rubber material right here. I show my son open it up, what happened, it just came apart. So this one's a USB type C. And then there's a strap, it's a rubber material. So where's the goggle? I guess it doesn't come with it. See what's in here. Quick start guide, and then Oculus Quest 2 Elite strap with the battery and carrying case. So maybe the instruction manual. So I guess this is just an accessory without a goggle. So this must be the battery pack that's on the back here. And then there's an USB Type-C charging port right there as well. Alright. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.